Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is how to install and remove a tub Spout Diverter. Very simple video and it's very easy to do, but you definitely need the right tools. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you notify new videos, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Alright, so let's get started here. So first thing you need is a hex wrench with these hex bits, right? So you're gonna remove the one on the Spout, right? Or screw it in if you're gonna install it, right? So that's the bit I use. It may be different numbering, naming from other vendors. So I have a Spout over here, and I have a plate. So note that not all Spout kit will have a plate, and that is the bit we're gonna remove when you removing it. The old one's the same, pretty much in most cases. So first thing you probably want to do is put the plate in first, right? And then you want to put the Spout diverter and be perpendicular. And I need to loosen this bit a little bit more. Well, I do want to mention before I did that, I should have mentioned that the sizing of this thing over here. Note that I have a plate, so accommodating for that little bit over here. So it's about 3¼ or so. I'm just gonna estimate over here, and it's very easy to replace. You don't need a lot of experience to replace the tub diverter. Let's put it this way. And most people that have the right tools can remove it. So mine's is coming out of the wall. Of course, yes, this is a cultured marble, which is not really the best looking product out there for the walls. And I remodeled the bathroom, but I just want to show you how it looks like. So I got the plate in already. If you were to install this, make sure you try to make it perpendicular, right? And the screw is a little bit loose, right? The bit is a little bit loose, and you want to tighten it up. Suppose you do this thing, you don't tighten it, it's gonna move back and forth, which is not the right way to do it. So if you were to remove it, loosen the bit on the bottom, then you could take out the plate over here, then you're done. Removing and installation is very easy in this thing. That's why I'm doing this video, so I help you out. Knowledge is power. And one of the things that if you have it installed correctly, which I have in this bathroom downstairs, a different bathroom, you turn on the water, then you pull this thing over here, then the water should come out from the top part, so you can take a shower, right? Otherwise you just be on the tub. So this is the shower tub combination, and that's how it looks like overall. It's very simple to install and remove. And notice this one has the plate and the diverter. There's a little bit from Moen, older model maybe in particular. So it has that plate. Some of the models out there may not have the plate. So it depends on the style and the look. And let's see if I can get a picture of the bottom over here. So you could feel it. You could probably see it. It's not the most convenient location. So there's a hex bit over there that's needed to open it up. Once you open that, then you can pull it out and change it out. For example, maybe you want to upgrade to a newer style or something in particular. Hopefully you like this video surprise today. I really appreciate a thumbs up, comment or share. Please leave it below. And see you next time. Bye.